Super sweet show. Oh, toy video maker, where are you? I'm right here, Lucette. Do you have any toy reviews today? I mean toy videos? You never made a review. I do not have any toy videos today. Aww, I know I haven't done anything all day, but I did receive a package. Wait, does this mean what I think it is? Yes. Well, guys, this is my very first toy review, and my very first one is going to be opening a Tsum Tsum, Disney Tsum Tsum Series 2 blind bag. Originally, my little sister had opened one and had gotten Eeyore. See,
that's me.
He has the dark gray gloomy cloud, and it's putting water on him. So I wonder who I'll get. So I have no idea who this is. I didn't even feel it. On the back, there's some characters, a couple. I do really hope I get Ariel or Cinderella. Those two look very good to me. Of course, Ben also looks nice. Well, I'm gonna have to go ahead and scissors it. Snip, snip, snip. And that's this thing I think it is? Yes, it's one of the characters I wanted. Well, did you not know? Well, I'll give you a hint. She's a princess. And her name is Cinderella. So yes, I got Cinderella. She looks like a very good find to me. So I'm gonna be still opening her. Cinderella doesn't want to get out. So I have to squeeze this blind bag. So let's see what else. Excuse her for a moment. She needs to open her toys. Here's the Cinderella Tsum Tsum itself. There's just one hard piece left to get. And I'm gonna now drag it to a good part. There. So here's the little Tsum Tsum thing. I have a feeling I'm gonna put it. So there. So this is little Cinderella's little hat, I guess. Her little castle. Cinderella's little castle. Looks like she doesn't fit for some reason. I have no idea why. I'm glad it just wasn't Eeyore, one of the characters I didn't find. Oh, wow, you made your very first toy review. I know I sure did. Well, guys, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video.